the hell?
Oh, no. I gotta be rude first.
I'm trying to make an intro over here. I just can't.
Out of my fucking lobby.
Intro!
Are there tripods in there?
Alright.
Oh, because
Are these made out of cement?
I've had tripods in there this entire time.
Bruh.
Cut that.
All right, intro, guys. How are we doing the intro on this? Just so I can have something to start with.
Love.
What?
And that's the intro,
No,
except
it's
for bleeping that out.
not.
Here we go!
No.
Here we go! I am
Here we
ready. Let's
go.
start this map.
Hey, oh, let's go.
Alright, we're here.
Yeah, I'm
Take a
gathering
look at the
temp
equipment and prepare accordingly before starting the investigation.
and
Getting my usual jazz.
my usual judge is inconsistent, so I don't know what the fuck I'm
I
doing.
know.
Tanks.
Crucifix. Unique. Okay, 25. That won't be hard because they'll all die.
I got temps
Me being first.
Hello, fine. Ryan, you want your
Becky got back.
tickled?
Yes.
I'm gonna go play with trains. What was that? I know I'm not crazy. I heard that noise. And I get gaslight myself. No, I heard something.
New map looks weird as shit.
Oh, I thought you were totally down playing with trains. I won't lie.
Oh, bro, I kind of locked in for a second. I can't lie.
Actually, I need you to lock in the living room because I swear I heard a noise.
Okay, I will lock in the living room.
This bitch is talking to me in the laundry room.
What?
I just got a sound recording in here.
What? Where?
I'm dead. I just got a sound recording in here.
What? Where?
I'm dead. I'm dead.
Oh, yeah,
I don't know
I
what
got
happened,
level
but I'm
4.
dead.
I got a video recording of it.
I got level 4 in here with
Jesus
Spirit
Christ.
box.
I knew I heard a noise.
Yeah. Oh, there's spirit box. It's definitely
Hey,
a lot
spirit box.
colder in this room.
Okay, there's
So-
no orbs.
I'm gonna go I'm gonna put Gage's little sound thing down. I'm gonna go put the EMF back.
Wait, is there EMF 5?
Oh no, not
the
EMF
reader's
5.
still in here.
Oh,
The
that's why
reader's still
Gage
here.
died.
What?
Why?
Oh
What?
wait, is this
What?
not a cursed item?
No,
What?
that's incense.
It looks like a fucking cursed item.
Well, it's definitely
That's your
incense.
incense. Oh shit.
We got bigger problems.
Okay, just an event. Just an event. Oh my god.
That was rude.
Okay, where's the nearest hiding spot? Is there one? Oh, they moved the lockers. Okay.
I know, I'm grabbing your stuff.
Lockers in the garage are available for hiding.
Where did your stuff go? Your body covering your stuff.
Well, where did he die? Because where he
He's literally in
died,
front of you.
where his... Well, okay, I see his body, but as soon as he dies, he can still move a little afterwards.
Oh. Bread?
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 Oh, it's okay.
Gage, come get a brew.
I don't see his stuff if that's where he's pointing us.
He's showing me where the potato is.
Oh.
He needed help getting the potato out.
Hell yeah. Okay, what are we reading? EMF 5.
EMF 5?
Yep, we have.
We got bigger problems! We got bigger problems!
Oh my god. EMF 5, mark it off. So it could still literally be anything. Yeah, still literally could be anything. Good lord, this thing is crazy. I need to grab my UV.
Right then.
What?
Have you found it yet?
Found what?
What do you think, dipshit?
He's dead for a reason.
Does either one of you have the ultraviolet?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, I got salt. Come on.
I'm gonna go put.
Wait, we need a camera. Okay, grab a camera.
Handle?
What?
Okay, I got UV. Oh,
Okay, chill.
I don't
Camera!
I don't see any footsteps off of any of those.
Yeah, but it's not a wraith
That is true. Which knocks off what?
and not a gala. So it's either spirits or twins.
Why did it knock off the gala?
Because it's not ultraviolet.
Did I take a picture of his dead body?
Yeah, take a picture of his dead body.
Alright, Brighton, pose for me.
Alright.
You are the ugliest French girl I've ever seen.
Okay. I'm not even French, but that's fine.
Do we have EMF?
Yeah, we have
You
EMF
had
5.
EMF.
No, I mean UV.
No UV. So, and it walked
No
through
UV.
salt, so it's not a wraith.
Do I take a picture of the salt?
What door is it touching?
Patty?
What?
Do I take a picture of the salt?
No. Okay, got a video of that.
Hey, there's a camera right here. Gage had a camera.
I couldn't see it.
Bruh.
I have no idea what I'm supposed to be taking pictures of, by the way.
I don't think it's temps. I've been trying temps for a while and I got nothing.
Do we have,
Oh,
it's one of
what?
those things where we have to be out of the room so it, like, shows itself on the orbs.
Oh.
Is it hunting? What's that, dude? Patty?
What's up? Oh, it's hunting. It's hunting.
Yep. No longer hunting. Not the train. That bitch.
Check the train. Check the train. Oh, we're still chugging. We're still chugging. We're good.
Checking for ultraviolet.
We're checking for trains.
Okay.
Ah, well, that sucks.
Meanwhile, in the van.
saw. Wow, that's crazy. Is there any writing in the book?
No, but I'm.
There we go.
Potato. I'm a potato. I'm gonna go find a ball.
I don't know if it's still in here.
It is, because it's colder in here than it is.
Ah. There's definitely no writing. It's not making any. Oh, shit.
Patty's dead.
Nope, Patty's dead. Alright, good luck, Ryan.
I'm 90% sure that's what it is.
You guys really left me alive, huh? Oh, what the fuck?
Well, the
It's
gal
already
was
hunting
crossed
again.
off our list.
How?
Well, because Patty said no UV.
You said no UV?
Let's go to the van. Or where he is.
Because
Well,
a Galu's
Yeah.
a Galu's another demon. It's another form of a demon.
well, because it stepped through the salt and there was no footsteps. Like, it walked through all 3 salts and there was not a single footprint.
What difficulty are we on?
I
Because
don't know, whatever
sometimes
difficulty-
some difficulties hide it. Oh,
The Wraith can't
Oh, right,
step
I'm in
through
charge.
fucking shit, can it?
I'm pretty sure that's what it is.
Wow, Ryan's intelligent.
Otherwise, this is the meanest spirit I've ever seen.
That's pretty sure.
Where's the bouncy ball in this
Because
map?
I crossed off dots, temps, and orbs.
I got a gnome.
Just because I've been listening at least.
Yeah, I marked off dots because it's not a wraith. And there was no
Right.
orbs.
I marked off freezing temps because Brian's been doing freezing temps for a long time.
Your
And it hasn't
which
written the
leaves
book.
us with
Get your ass down!
And then you said there was no orbs, so it has to be either writing or UV at this point. I can go look
Yeah.
and see if it's written in
Yeah.
the book.
You know, guys, I'm gonna guess the Galu thing. But I also don't know what the Dayin is. Don't know what else
Bruh.
it could fucking be.
I'm still in here in case he leaves.
I don't see any writing.
Neither do I.
I'm pretty confident.
Okay. I'll trust you. I just didn't realize it was hunting.
Well, because the Galu, it said something about protective equipment, and I had incense and it killed me instantly.
I had incense and it killed me instantly.
Using protective equipment pushes the ghost to become enraged, weakening equipment effects.
Anyone here with me? Okay. This one. Let's just go with Galu.
Okay.
For this one, it's something else. This one, we just go with our individual choices.
Yeah, but I might enrage it.
Maybe.
Alright. Has everyone got Galu? Okay.
While you guys weren't here, him and I voted on what it was, and I said Galu, and then you guys showed up right at the end of the voting. No,
do we
the
need for the twins?
twins!
Wasn't that freezing temps?
Yeah.
It never went to freezing
Was there a
temps.
twin in another room
There's no fucking way,
that
dude.
had the freezing temps?
No fucking way.
It's like, cause I was in that room the whole time. The lowest I got was 4, so not even close.
That's bullshit.
Wild.
That is wild.
That would make sense why I was fucking with your trains. Because it was down in the basement and in the laundry room.
No. It went from the laundry room down to the basement. I followed it.
Oh,
Yeah.
never mind. I got nothing.
No,
I
I
got
watched this
nothing.
bitch go straight for that train. I was like, this bitch is messing with my trains. I can't stop her.
I didn't even think about that as something that was compatible to be messed with.